Welcome to our latest tech showdown. Today, we're comparing to budget-friendly powerhouses, the Infinix Hot 50 Pro and the Tecno Spark 30 Pro. Let's dive in. Starting with design, the Infinix Hot 50 Pro boasts a sleek, slim profile at just 167 length and 76.4 wide, and it comes with 7.4 mm thick and weighing only 190 grams. It features a smooth matte finish and comes in colors like sleek black, titanium gray, and glacier blue. On the other hand, the Tecno Spark 30 Pro has a more robust build with a 166.6 mm length and 77 mm wide and thickness of 7.4 mm and weighs around 190 grams. It's available in vibrant colors like Obsidian Edge, Arctic Glow, Magic Skin 3.0, Optimus Prime Edition. When it comes to display, the Infinix Hot 50 Pro shines with its 6.78-inch FHD AMOLED display, offering a 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 1800 nits. This makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. On the other hand, the Tecno Spark 30 Pro offers a 6.78 inches AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 1700 nits, ensuring a smooth visual experience, though with slightly lower brightness compared to its counterpart. Let's talk performance. The Infinix Hot 50 Pro runs on Android 14, with one major update guaranteed through XOS 14.5. It's equipped with the MediaTek Helio G100 chipset built on a 6nm process, featuring an Octa-core CPU to X2 to GHz Cortex-A76 and 6x 2.0 GHz Cortex-A55 and the Mali G57 MIG to GPU. Performance-wise, the Tecno Spark 30 Pro is equipped with Android 14 running on HIOS 14. It features the MediaTek Helio G100 chipset, built on a 6nm process. The device sports an Octa-core CPU with 2x 2.2 GHz Cortex-A76 and 6x 2.0 GHz Cortex-A55 cores. For graphics, it relies on the Mali G57 MIG to GPU. For camera capabilities, the Infinix Hot 50 Pro boasts a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 2MP depth sensor, and an additional camera. It features quad LED flash, HDR, and supports video recording at 144p at 30 fps. The front has an 8MP selfie camera with an LED flash. Meanwhile, the Tecno Spark 30 Pro offers a single 108MP main camera with an auxiliary lens, quad LED flash, HDR, and video recording at 144p at 30 fps and 1080p at 30 fps. For selfies, it has a 13MP front camera with a dual LED dual-tone flash. Battery life is a key aspect for any smartphone. Both the Infinix Hot 50 Pro and the Tecno Spark 30 Pro come with a 5000 mAh battery and support 33W fast charging, ensuring all-day usage and quick recharge times. So, which one should you choose? If you prioritize a sleek design, higher brightness, and faster charging, the Infinix Hot 50 Pro is the way to go. But if you prefer a more robust build and a higher resolution front camera, the Tecno Spark 30 Pro might be your match. The choice is yours.